Hi there mga beloved kong soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lang inabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating po reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa side ng Leo, right? Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating reading or sa ating channel at nagustuhan nyo po, pakisubscribe na lang po, like, comment, and share. If you want to avail a private reading, paka-message po ako dito sa ating TikTok account. Paki-follow na rin po. Unang-una, hindi po ako yung unang magme-message po sa inyo to offer a private reading. Mga scammer po yan. Nanggagaya po yan ng ating picture, ng ating pangalan. But ang pinaka-importante lang po, hindi po ako. Kayo lang po ang unang mag-message dito sa ating TikTok account at pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng slot for private reading. Alright? Ulitin ko, this is for you, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Takes what only resonates, okay? Last shuffle natin at kunin na natin ang iyong 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 1, hulog tayo dito. 2, Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 4 cards, please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Give us 4 cards, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, Leo. Sige, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito. Oh, Hierophant. Leo, believe me, although nakataob pa yung 9 cards natin, but I can feel a very positive energy that someone, may mga Leo dyan na matagal nang may minamanifest, may matagal nang iniintay at pinag-pray with the Hierophant card, and it will be given to you in the soonest time possible. Alright? I-claim mo na ito, linisin mo ng puso at isipan mo, i-ready mo na ang buhay mo sapagkat there will be a prayer that will be answered. Alright? There will be a wish that will be fulfilled. Ready na si Universe ibigay ito sa'yo, Leo. So congratulations in advance with a Hierophant card here. I know, minamanifest mo ito ng sobrang tagal. Talagang dumadating ka nga sa point na baka nagiging hopeless ka kung talaga makukuha mo ba ito. It's because this is what you really wanted for a long time. But believe me, Leo, get ready. Manifestations will be given to you. Alright? Ang ganda ang mabuhay natin baraha. Oh, King of Pentacles, abundance, stability. There will be big recovery for you, Leo, in the upcoming days and weeks ahead. This will be a surprise, but I know, ruler mo si Sun, so keep on doing your best. Continue being a light to others despite na parang ikaw mismo ay parang nawawala na ng liwanag sa buhay mo. But you know, the reward will be very big. Yung kapalit nitong lahat is abundance and prosperity. Look at the King of Pentacles. Look at the yellow color. It's a very vibrant color of joy and happiness for you, Leo. No? Ikaw to eh. Nagbibigay ka ng kasiyahan sa ibang tao, napakabilis. You're a very cheerful kind of person. And you know, even though deep inside, sometimes you're struggling, but believe me, connected with the Hierophant card, isa sa minamanifest mo talaga ay magkaroon ng stability in terms of finances. Alam mo yun, yung buhay na katpa, hindi naman sobrang rangya, sorry. But, at least, hindi ka mamumroblema. Kahit pa paano, may madudukot, you know, all the bills are paid on time, everything like that. That's already a peace of mind for you. That's already a success for you, Leo. Alright? Tingnan natin. We have here the 7 of Wands. Leo, are you aware of this? But I can feel an energy of a person na galit sa'yo. Okay. So lately ba parang naka-encounter ka ba ng taong parang nakasagutan mo, nakatampuhan mo? Alright, but I can see her very clearly kung hindi man. But I can see a person, an energy of a person na parang galit na galit sa'yo. I don't know where it is coming from. Di ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung galit niya or inggit niya sa'yo. But, you know, Leo, be extra careful also. But, you know, although it is manageable, but mahirap na kung meron tayong hindi kasundo. Mahirap na kung may hindi tayo kaintindihan sa bawat araw. It's like a control. It's like a limit for us. Hindi tayo makagalaw, makakilos sumayo because it's like a baggage. It's like a burden for us na kahit paano tumasagi sa isip natin. I know, Leo, hindi kayo sanay sa ganyan na parang yes, you're very vocal, you're very, talkative, but in terms of mga parang kaaway, katampuan, ayaw nyo ng ganyan eh. Alright? Prangka kayo, but believe me, Leo, okay? do your best. Kahit pa paano mo kayo ma-involve dito, but I can feel an energy of a person talagang parang not happy. Okay, not happy to you, Leo. Pang-apat, oh, look at this, King of Cups. Alright, so I can see, Leo, that there's a person also matured, medyo mas matanda sa'yo, mas medyo maganda yung trabaho. Something like, parang a powerful person na parang marami siyang connection. Okay, bakit ko sinasabi? Because this certain person or itong tao na to na sabi ko medyo may dating, may bitaw, medyo maganda yung posisyon, maraming network, will be a big help for you in the future. Right? So Leo, I know, magaling kayo sa networking. But focus in this person. You know, siguro kung may idea ka na kung sino to because you're preparing yourself, Leo, para hinahanda mo yung sarili mo in future decisions and plans na gagawin mo. Okay? But I can see here na why don't you consider na lumapit sa tao ito? I know you have an idea, Leo. This is a kind of person na parang malawak yung network mo. May connection siya, something like that. Okay, that anytime, anywhere na lapitan mo siya, just ikaw lang mismo gagawa ng action. Hindi ka bibigo in this person, King of Cups, talagang tutulungan ka nito. Alright? Panglima, Leo. Five of Pentacles. Leo, parang ubus biyaya tayo lately Parang puro gastos. Puro labas yung pera dito. Ano yan? Sa bagay, you know, siguro panay travel kayo lately panay bili, panay online shopping, you know, but it's more on parang medyo depleted. Medyo talagang lumabas yung resources natin dito, Leo, ha? So, this, wala akong control dyan. Buhay nyo yan. But what I'm saying here is because this Five of Pentacles signifies poverty, limit, or, control in terms of resources or money na papasok sa'yo. So, do your best to take charge or to track your finances. Walang masama. Kasi, hindi araw-araw ay Pasko, Leo. Yan lang ang lagi niyong tatandaan. Okay? Ang buhay ay weather lang. So, kung may blessings, make sure, do your best to, to harness it, to save it, okay? To multiply it. Hindi yung puro deplete or talagang gastos at walang kapalit na pumapasok. Alright? Before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second round na natitira, ulitin ko po, kapag di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to avail a private reading, pakifollow nitong TikTok account ko. Mag-message kayo dito, hindi po ako ang unang mag-message sa inyo, scammer po yan. Alright? Sige, Leo. King of Swords. Aside from manifestation, aside from prayers, wishes that will be granted, ang nakikita ko dito, if you want it, na talagang mas mabilis mabigay o dumating sa you need to take an action. Hindi ito madadaan, Leo, sa paupo-upo lang. Baka hindi ito madadaan, Leo, sa purong dasal lang. Yes, I know, sabi ko, so you are guaranteed na with the Hierophant card here na talagang there will be manifestations and prayers na masasagot dito. But you need to take an action also. You need also to do extra hard work. Alright? Kasi, Leo, kayo yung mga tao parang sometimes pag naisipan nyo parang tinatamad kayo, talang tuloy-tuloy na yan, parang ayaw yung kumilos. Alright? So, consistency and hard work is the key here, Leo. Alright? So, with the King of Swords, you need to take an action. Wag nang, kung may mga nasa isip kang gustong gawin, wag mo nang palipasin pa to the next day or the other dates because, baka mag-pile up yung responsibilities dito. Pang-pito, ayan, napakalinaw. King of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles. Recovery. Abundance, Leo, for you. Okay, in terms of Pentacles and money. Wow, Leo, ang ganda naman ito. Sabi ko sa inyo, there will be recovery, makakabawi kayo. Kung for the past months, pero ang problema kasi sa inyo, pag nandiyan nakakabawi na naman, hindi nyo naman nakakontrol, puro naman kayo gastos. Magpaluho kasi itong mga Leo na to. So, with the recovery period here, with the King and Nine of Pentacles, yes, may mga pera na papasok. May mga blessings, may mga opportunities na darating. But this is the best time for you to manage it properly now. Okay, Leo, lalong-lalo na may mga pagkakagastusan kayo in the future, mga mahalagang decisions, mahalagang mga parang, transactions na gagawin ka na kinakailangan ng malaking pera dito. Alright, so Leo, please. Yes, abundance is on the way. So, no doubt with your money here, more and more money are coming on your way. But, please, tipid-tipid din pag may time, Leo. Pangwalo. Oh, Leo, itong sinabi kong tao parang galit or parang I don't know, not happy to you is causing you pressure here. Happy pressure ka sa taong ito. Ano ba to? Boss mo ba to? Jowa mo ba to? Binan mo ba to? Magulang mo? Something na nagkukos. Hindi siya happy to you. And that's why you keep on thinking about this person and nakakadagdag siya sa burden mo. Pagod ka na nga sa trabaho, Leo. Pagod ka na nga sa ibang responsibilities. Dumadagdag pa itong pressure nitong tao na to. Mag-comment nga kayo kung makaresulate kayo kung meron nga taong talagang iniipit kayo sa kasalukuyan. Okay, parang, but I can feel a big pressure here talagang binubuhos sa'yo or binibigay sa'yo. That's why here you are. You're physically tired but mentally drained. Okay, because of the pressure that is being put to you here or talagang pinapatong sa'yo nitong taong to. Galit siya because may gusto siyang makuhang output or something, resulta na talagang pinipiga ka niya. Leo. King of Wands and King of Cups. I can see here also na parang lately, parang this person also, iko-connect ko pa rin to sa tao ito, parang hindi ka lang niya pressure, parang bawat galaw mo, inaalam niya, minomonitor niya, talagang hindi ka binibitawan ng tingin, something like that. It's more on observation. But I can see here, with the King of Cups, this is just like a test for you. Leo, parang this person is doing this, it's because parang tinitingnan niya kung kakayanin mo ba yung sitwasyon. But with the King of Cups here, but later on, it will stop. Titigil din ito. But it's more on kapag talagang nakuha na niya yung tiwala mo or nakuha mo na ang tiwala niya, is that, talagang tuloy-tuloy na yan. With the King of Cups, talagang kahit pa paano panatag na siya, that everything is in good hands with you, Leo. Alright, so talagang nakakita ko dito instead from galit, from pressure, parang mas may magandang pagsasama pa nga dito. Parang magiging friendship mo pa to. Parang kakaroon ng, harmonious relationship or pagsasama dito with this person. Okay? So that's why my advice for Leo, yes, there's a pressure, may galit dito, but you don't need to react. Okay? Hanggang kayang tiisan mo na lang muna. But believe me, everything will be settled. Okay? And sabi ko nga, magugulat ka sa magiging turn around ng sitwasyon. Okay? 10th and last card, Leo, for your reading is the Queen of Wands. Okay? So, aside from manifestation, Hierophant, i-connect ko dito, yes, magaling kayo sa manifestation. Magaling kayo, madiskarte kayo. Attractive kayo sa blessings. But, hindi to pwedeng, ulitin ko, with the King of Swords here, it takes action. Leo, no question with you. All possible blessings, all possible good news are on the edge. Kumbaga, hawak kamay mo na. Darating na sa iyo to with the Queen of Wands. Look at the sunflower. Look at the cat. You're divinely protected. Malakas ang kutob mo ay active yung intuition mo lately. So that's why, i-harness mo to, samantalin mo to, na do your best to manifest. But, samantalang kilos, consistency, sipag, and of course, faith in the universe. Alright? So, Leo, this is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na maraming nasasay ng Leo makaparito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much mga Leo kong soulmates sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Nasaan man kayo naroon, ano man ang ginagawa niyo, mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.